All right, before you insert the cannula for the patient in room 12, just be aware. She's got a history of poor venous access. Last week, 3 attempts failed before they switched to ultrasound guidance.
Oh, that's good to know, Mihira. Should I try the forearm first?
Normally, yes, but in her case, I'd avoid the left forearm altogether. That arm's post-mastectomy, so lymphatic drainage is compromised. Risk of lymphedema if we cannulate there.
Right, I remember now. What about her right hand?
That's where it gets tricky. She's got an old cannula site there, recently removed, and mild phlebitis noted. So, best avoid that area too.
So, Mihira, we're left with the antecubital fossa on the right?
Ideally, yes. But try a warm compress first to dilate the vein. And if it still doesn't look promising, ask the registrar about a guided attempt. We don't want multiple failed insertions again. It stressed her out last time.
Understood. Thanks for the heads up. Mihira, I understand it can be worrying when your hand is injured, and taking good care of it now is the key to a smooth and comfortable recovery. First and foremost, let's focus on gentle healing. Please be diligent about keeping the area clean by washing it gently with mild soap and lukewarm water, then patting it dry thoroughly. It's also important to try to avoid putting any pressure or strain on your hand, especially if it's bruised, as this can slow down the healing process. When you're doing chores or anything that might irritate the area, consider using protective gear like a clean bandage or gloves as a simple barrier. Looking ahead, we can also think about making your kitchen a safer space to prevent future bumps and nicks. Simple changes can make a big difference, such as using tools with padded, non-slip grips, which give you more control and reduce strain. The most powerful tool, however, is mindfulness, taking an extra moment to be consciously aware of sharp edges and the weight of heavy objects like pots or jars. By moving with gentle intention, you are not just cooking, you are caring for your own well-being with every task you complete. Your hands do so much for you, and they deserve this kindness.